Continuing off from the last video, engine is in, and in this one we're gonna hook everything up here.
Oh man.
Oh, drop a screwdriver.
Oh, that's it. Can't finish it.
So what were you trying to do here?
Just hook up the fuel lines. These are from Chase Bays.
It's brand new instead of old OEM stuff. Same thing for the harness. This is a wiring specialties harness, 100% plug and play, and 100% brand new. Intercooler's gotta go on, all the piping and stuff, radiator. Oh man, some guy saw this car sitting in the driveway and he asked us, or he asked me, how much you want to sell this car for? And I said, actually no, he made an offer. He said 900 bucks. I was like, are you stupid? Just get out of here. Get out of here.
Like, where can you get a Skyline for 900 bucks anywhere?
This isn't an Ultima. Let's see what parts I got in the trunk. Yeah, there's the intercooler, all the piping, clamps, and gaskets for days. Gauges, I'll probably do that later.
Comes the fun part.
Yeah, I gotta shove this harness in this small little pocket back here. Oh, kind of a pain. Dude, once this is finished, you're not even gonna see any wires.
I mean, you kind of have to do this because some of them don't reach the where it needs to be, right?
Yeah.
See, the only wires you'll see is for the injectors.
You'll barely even see those.
The coolant things here, and
yeah,
the cam sensor here. And that's basically all you see. How are we doing?
it's pretty much all wired up already.
Dang.
See, here's all the injectors, and they just tuck under the manifold.
I mean, this engine bay looks way better than your other Skyline.
That thing looks like garbage.
It's okay. It's off to a new owner.
Yeah, it's off to Andre.
Yeah, so we painted this with a rattle can. The engine bay turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
With the can.
Yes. And it matches the OEM paint too.
So it looks like we just need the radiator, the front mount intercooler, and then the exhaust side hooked up, huh? Turbo side.
Yep.
That's how you do radiator flush.
Oh my god.
Ooh, actually. Kind of nasty. Look at the crap that comes out of there. Oh, a little clear now. There you go. I think it was straight rusty water before. Okay. Dang, are those real watts? Clear now. There you go. In.
Yay. Let's see, so you need to put the shroud, the fan. Actually, I think that fan goes first. And then hook these up. Oh no, do I have clamps? I want to do electric fans, but like a lot of people say it doesn't work good on these engines. I'm like, why not?
My 240 runs electric fans.
Yeah, and they're like, the 1JZ and this thing is, you know, it's almost the same engine. And that car has a smaller engine bay too. But if I get electric fans, it'll clean up this so much and have so much more space. They actually have some in there.
Oh yeah, I do have another set of those.
The exact same fans.
I mean, it seems to work for my car, so.
I might hook it up when I have this thing like all set up and stuff.
Big old front mount, huh?
Of course, it's a Skyline. You gotta have one of those.
Wait, they always came with front mounts, right?
No, they come with side mounts. They're usually like mounted over here.
Oh, yeah?
And then the front's empty. Well, a GTR has a front mount, but a GTST has it over here.
I see. So this is the GTR then?
Sure.
It's like, it ain't a GTR. Well, I guess this still held up, right? This style?
Yeah, they work. It never popped off on me.
Oh, you're getting close, huh?
Yep. So yeah, intercooler's all hooked up, and I got the downpipe on there. So we're just gonna add fluid and try and start it. Kind of nervous. What about you?
It's fine.
Man, this is making a mess.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
it's just burping all over the place.
Bankai. No bankai.
Keep going. Nothing's leaking yet. Oh, jeez.
Why'd it stop?
That it? You didn't add that much. Only the best oil, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Is this good stuff?
I don't know. People like this stuff. But I'm gonna change it out anyways. Like, soon.
Oh yeah, in like what, 10 miles?
Yeah.
Well, here's like first startup and then 10 miles and change it again. I don't know. I never rebuilt an engine. I'm going by what the internet says. They're smart.
So I'm gonna prime the engine first. So I've unplugged the crank angle sensor, and that'll allow me to like crank it over without starting. And that'll get the engine primed. So, here we go.
First crank. Take two. Okay, so it looks like we found one wire that wasn't attached.
I forgot it completely. It's the wire that goes from the alternator to the starter.
Oh. See if it works after this.
I mean, even if it doesn't work, it's supposed to be there. But I hope this is it.
So there's one more problem. Well, goddamn.
So that one little wire fixed the cranking issue, but now the issue why it doesn't start is because the fuel lines are swapped. I look back at my pictures, and this yellow thing, this yellow logo, goes back here, and then this one is up front here. So I'm going to switch them out, and then
this should be it.
It should start.
You say that like a couple times already.
But now I'm going to make a mess.
Just a little bit of fuel. So this is the out. This is return, right?
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. We messed this up the first time when we did this swap too.
Yeah.
Which is funny.
Just don't learn. Anyway, so that's one more thing that won't make it start. Obviously. Oh shit. That was under some pressure. Your coil pack is just bouncing all over the place. Okay, now you're tying the coil packs.
Yeah. Just put the throttle cable on too. And let's try again. What is he doing over there? Anyways, I want to put the exhaust on the car so the thing's not too loud, and maybe I'll take it around the block tonight. So, this is a HKS Super Turbo, and we're just gonna throw it on a car here real quick.
Rainstorm here. Alan's still trying to go drive his car. Looks like he got the exhaust on. Go back. Okay. Guess he wants to go drive it. So, first drive. Turbo sounds kind of weird. I don't remember it sound like that. Here he comes. See, sounds kind of weird. Turbo sounds different.
Stock turbo.
Sounds really weird. I don't know. Okay.
That does sound funny.
Alright, so it's the next day. It's like we sorted out a little boost leak right over there.
Oh yeah, this was loose. So that was causing a boost leak.
Yeah, it sounded weird.
It sounded like an eagle.
That's why I kind of like said it sounded weird when you're driving by.
Yeah. So
anyways, got headlights on, horn lights on, crash bar. Now you just got to put on the bumper.
Put on the bumper, and then I think it's ready to hit the road. So let's do that real quick.
This is a GTR bumper?
It is.
Finally looks like the car again.
Dang. Dang, there it is. Idling on its own. I just put the Volks back on. Got the bumpers back on. And these are actually different headlights from my last setup. These are just regular chrome ones. And then I put the clear signals on. This little orange bulb back there.
Oh man. Car's not dead anymore.
Alright, here we go.
Actually kind of quiet in here. Oh, so much power. Ah. It's like, can't scare me. Kidding. Well, you're not supposed to rip it when you first start after the rebuild.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive it pretty easy for the first 1,000 miles or so.
Is that the way to do it?
I don't know. A lot of people say to rip it, or a lot of people say to take it easy. It's like mixed responses from both sides. This Nismo short shifter feels great.
Yeah, best thing about best part in the car?
Maybe. I mean, being a Nismo part. Man, I just wanted to take this thing to Redline. Oh, okay, it died.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, my mirror broke too.
Fantastic.
I don't know how it broke just sitting there.
Yeah, it was just sitting in the driveway, and then
Someone must have bumped it or something.
we're gonna have to question Sam.
Yeah. Oh, and also my front turn signals don't work anymore. So I gotta look into that.
Well, that feels good. This is where you would punch it if it was broken in.
Yeah.
But since it's a new rebuilt engine, I'm not gonna punch it.
That was like only a quarter throttle, and it feels great. I just like how the stock turbo spools so fast.
Well, you don't like that big punch from the big turbo?
I mean, it can be fun at times, but this stock turbo is great for like everyday drivability. Alright, so there it is. RB25 is installed, and runs great. So I still got to break the engine in, but I do still have a lot more planned for this car. So yeah, I'll work on that next time. What do you think? Good? Okay?
I like how RBs sound. Then I don't know, Jay-Z sound good too. The L series sounds good too. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. It's good to see you back on the road.
Yes.
Looks better than the red one.
Yeah, it's finally, it was parked right here, but not anymore. It's a good feeling. Been 7 months. So, yeah. We'll see you guys later.